Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because this thing was not pressurizing and getting up to temperature as it's supposed to. Whenever they were extracting a shot, this thing will lose a lot of pressure and it will take a couple of minutes for this thing to get back to temperature and be able to brew again. And it was also leaking a lot of water. So once we started testing with this machine, we open it up straight away. We find out that the boiler, the steam boiler, the one that is located on the opposite side of this, behind this panel, was actually leaking a lot of water. And also the brew boiler that is in front, behind this panel, was also leaking water. So we had to go in there, replace the O-rings of both boilers, make sure that nothing was leaking, and then we were able to test the machine, and the machine was working perfectly. We did notice that some of the volumes were a little bit off on the machine, so we had to do a factory reset on this machine. Now you can also increase or decrease the temperature of the brew boiler, and you can also adjust a lot of these settings, but we're going to leave it as is, as factory settings. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing out this machine. Then we're going to be using this thing. Now we are grinding at the 12th setting of the grinder, and we are using our test coffee. Okay, now that the coffee is grinded, let's do that espresso shot. We're gonna hit the double, and we're using the double basket. Now this machine gives 7 seconds of pre-infusion. Once it does the pre-infusion, we can see that steady stream coming out through the spouts. As you can see, excellent color, looking great. And quantity, excellent crema on top of that shot of espresso, looking great. Now we can test the steamer, and as you can see, machine steaming properly. Excellent pressure coming out of this one. Great steam. Looking great. And hot water. With a nice, excellent flow coming out of the spout. So there you have it, Breville Oracle working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching. And just to show you the flow coming out of the group head, as you can see, steady stream coming out of the machine, excellent pre-infusion, excellent extraction, working great. And the temperature still at 200 degrees. Thanks for watching.